Today marks the 6-month anniversary of the catastrophic earthquake that hit the country of Haiti. Billions of dollars were pledged by many countries all around the world. There's a report from the Associated Press that says that former U.S. President Bill Clinton is frustrated because the funds from the donors are slowly trickling in. He said that of the billions pledged, only 10% of the money has come in. They have set budgets and plans based on the funds that were pledged, and now because only 10% of the money is in, they say little or no progress has been made to rebuilding the country of Haiti. This is not only a problem with international countries, but it's also a problem for individuals. Pledging money and don't have the resources to pay. Why do we do that? Why do we pledge money that we know we cannot afford to pay? It is amazing how someone who only really realistically has about $100 extra a month after their bills will pledge $6,000 for a year. Now, I'm all for faith. I'm all for faith. But how about we pledge realistically and then by faith give more? How about I want to give $6,000, but instead of me committing that, because now the church or the organization, or in this case the country of Haiti, they are depending on that $6,000 and they say you're going to give it, but you are only speaking $6,000 by faith. Realistically, you can only give $1,200. How about we pledge the $1,200 and then aim by faith to give $6,000? I believe any organizational leader would rather have people pledge $1,200 and then give $6,000 than to have people pledge $6,000 and only come in with $1,200. The Bible says, don't make a vow and not follow up on it. I want to leave you with this thought. We should not realistically pledge what we know will take a miracle to pay. This is real sad what's going on in Haiti. I only hope and pray that the international countries that have pledged these billions of dollars will follow through on their commitment.